Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We are looking at Bitcoin for this weekly video. So, just going to quickly go over what we went through last analysis, and then we'll look into what we're looking for this week. So, I drew a wedge formation in the last video. So, I was anticipating some sort of breakout. We got the breakout, and then we got the retest here. What I was looking for the entry to go long was to go for the push above this zone, but we didn't actually get that. We found early resistance in this level area here, and then it sent the sent the price action to the downwards momentum. So we actually didn't participate any further with Bitcoin for that because we didn't analyze this scenario for the opposite way. So for this week's video, what analysis, what I'm looking for right now is just to have a look what we can see right here. So what I can see is this. Basically, if I just draw this here, this line, so what I'm drawing here is just this descending trend pattern here. I'm gonna get rid of this but extend this also as well. So I mentioned this on another video, is I keep the top line of the wedge just for bouncing off purposes, to see where the conflict zones are. Perhaps we'll explain that a little further in another video, but just for the sake of the analysis for this week. So as we can see that we were in downwards momentum, but we've slowly started to pick up again, and we've hit our zone on our daily. So this is an important zone level area here. So price has obviously bounced and rejected that very early, and barely sank its price action into this zone. So firm, strong rejection. In terms of RSI, yeah, exactly, oversold, and sent price action to the top for higher. We can also see here that the EMAs are converging as well, and as of recording this video, with 1 hour left, we are seeing a bullish engulfing candle right now, so that's a good sign to see. So if this closes properly, I'll probably look into extend this all the way up as much as we can go in terms of our key level points. But in case you're watching this video tomorrow, after this is passed, I'm assuming that this opportunity would be gone. So what we could next look for is the next possible entry. So would be potentially in this level here, and then we can get a higher point up. So I'm just gonna leave this trade here just because where I am now. So I'm gonna leave that here, and we'll take our profits accordingly to our key levels. Yeah, I believe that should be what we are seeing here, because if we look at the wedge that we drew here, we also got out of the loop in terms of that sense. So we got out of the downwards momentum as well here, and we also drove ourselves back up. We also caught ourselves here from this daily zone here. So what we could potentially see, if this doesn't work out in our way, if we do find a reversal again, we possibly will aim to retouch this daily zone again. So if we do find that happening, a scenario that will happen is we'll get a push up, but eventually price would come down, retest this key level before we end up going down here. So potential shorts for Bitcoin will preferably be on this key level point here. So 10422. So that is 10,422. That's where I'll be looking for entries for my short. And if you're watching this video now, I'll be waiting for this candle to close, and hopefully we can get the entry for a push upwards. And then if you're watching this tomorrow, I'll be making I'm assuming this position or this trade will be missed, so this level would be my next buying point for Bitcoin if we get the strong retest again at 11152. So that's all for this video for Bitcoin. All the updates that I do from this video, I'll post all of it onto Twitter. So this is where I keep all the updates on the video. So instead of just doing the weekly analysis, here is me dissecting what we can see throughout the week. So post the video of the link, etc., just for the thread, and then I keep up to date with more pictures with a little bit of analysis, just to keep it nice, short and sweet. So it's for simple people, simple reading, nothing too complex. So I think this is really good for beginners or anyone who wants to try get into trading. So if you think that is of benefit for yourself, give myself a follow. Give yourself a follow at KMTRADERS _ on Twitter, and also make sure to subscribe on to my YouTube channel just for future updates. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.